Hello everyone, welcome to Hydropower. Today in this video we will show you how to extract coordinates from the contour drawn in AutoCAD. So let's start. First open the AutoCAD file from where you want to extract the contour data, so here we open it. Then open the SW DTM. Then go 2 points on SW DTM and go to Process and click on OK. Let your AutoCAD file process. After completion of processing, it will show you a dial box showing processing successful. Click OK on it, and again go 2 points, and go to Extract Points. A new box will pop up to save the extract data. Create a suitable name and save it at proper destination. It will take certain time to extract your data depending upon your computer's processing and contour data capacity. After a few seconds it will show you a pop-up message with file exported successfully. Click on OK. Now go to the file where you had saved exported data in .txt format. Open it and copy the data from .txt. Now open Excel and paste it over Excel. Now arrange the data as per your requirements. So this much for this time. We will be back again with one new video. Till then, keep on watching our channels and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.